before going ahead and writing and doing something with Python, let us understand some history about it. So maybe you have started hearing Python like maybe in last 5 years or 10 years, right? So Python is not a language which has just come into the picture, right? Python has Python's concept or the development of Python has started in late 80s, right? So first time when it was introduced was in 1991, right? So that was the first time Python language came publicly into computer world, right? So it has come as a successor of ABC programming language. There was a programming language called ABC, right? So the guy who has developed this Python was working with that particular language, right? And then he started putting things together to develop a new programming language, and he named it as a Python. And he did that in late 80s, but the programming language was introduced in 1990. So if it was introduced in 1991, why it was not famous then, right? If you take other programming language which is very famous for a long time, like since maybe I have known computers, right? So which is like Java, right? So Java has started. I mean, Java was introduced in 1995, whereas Python was even there before 4 years, right? So why Java was become more popular than Python, and now how Python is overcoming it and making it as a number one programming language. So when it was over a period of time, people started adding more and more features into the programming language, and especially when Python 3 got introduced. Since then, this programming language has become more popular, and it has started becoming useful in most of the industry. You can take it as a gaming world, or enterprise world, or a data world, big data, or maybe data science. Everywhere, Python being used, started being used after Python 3 came into picture, right? So this Python language was developed by a person called Udo van Rossum, right? He has developed this language as a part-time. I mean, like as a so it was not his main intention. He wanted to spend some time, good time during the December time, holidays time, and he started writing his own compiler and his own a programming language, right? So and then he made it as his full time, and then released that as a new programming language. So why name Python? Like just as a brief introduction, the name of Python has been introduced given to this programming language because that was a first code name which he has given, right? He was not interested to name it as a Python, but he gave this person has given Python as a name or as a code name, right? But everybody started liking it, so he has continued that. So Python is being given because he led a show called Monty Python's Circus. It is a TV show. Udo van Rossum likes that show, so he just named after that show, right? But that was continued as a name of the programming language.